Hey there, and welcome to this Black Belt membership training. In today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to add a new location to your account. Whether you're opening your second school or expanding into your fifth, this process will keep everything organized under one system. Let's get you set up step by step so you're ready to grow with confidence. First things first, only admin users or account owners have access to create new locations. So make sure you're logged in with the right level of access before you get started. Once you're in, head over to the menu location to the location admin. You'll see a list of your current locations. In this example, we already have a few open, but let's say you're expanding and you're getting ready to open a fifth location. Congratulations, by the way. To add that new spot, just click Add Location. Now, heads up, there's a fee for each additional location you add for this particular account. You'll see that before confirming. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit Yes. Now, fill out the form with your new location's details. If you're not a martial arts school and you're opening, say, a CrossFit gym or a fitness studio, that's perfectly fine. Black Belt membership works across different types of fitness businesses. Fill out everything you can. For this demo, I'm entering details pretty quickly. You'll also have the option to upload a logo for the new location. If you don't have it ready right now, no worries. You can always come back and add it later. Once everything looks good, hit Submit. And that's it! Your new location is now part of your Black Belt membership account. To switch over to that location, just click on the little house icon. That'll take you right into it. And that's all there is to it. Your new location is now live inside Black Belt membership and ready to go. If you ever need to make updates or switch between locations, it's all right there under the house icon. As always, if you have questions or run into anything, our support team is here to help. Keep growing, and we'll see you in the next training.